Brooke with ReFabbed. I just had to do a makeover of these hearts. So I decided that I would come live real fast and do these 2 wooden hearts, okay? They sit up just like this, okay? But they're really cute, but these don't necessarily match what I'm doing in my whatever, wherever I put them, they don't necessarily match, okay? So I just want to put my spin on them. And I'm actually going to keep the sides the same color, but I am going, and later I might tweak them, but not today. Today I'm just going to make it really quick and really fun and really cute, okay? Some of your stores may not have all this yet. Mine was still putting stuff out, okay? But I want you to know ahead of time because they will sell fast, okay? So what I'm planning to do is just Modge Podge, okay? Basically. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna Modge Podge one of them just like they are. I've got 3 pieces of scrapbook paper here. Let me show you what I picked out. I love black and white stripes at Valentine's Day. Love it, okay? Leopard is a neutral, and I love using leopard in my decor very sparingly. So I thought it could be really, really cute on a heart on my coffee bar. This is where I'm thinking is my coffee bar, okay? Then I thought this was a really pretty paper. As you can see, I've used some of these and I keep them because, you know, why not? I'm not gonna waste them. So this is really, really cute. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna use all 3, but those were the 3 I picked out. I've done several makeovers using these. They're the wood palette boards from Dollar General, and they are an easel, and they've got the sawtooth hanger to hang on your wall, okay? So I'm gonna use one of these, I'm gonna Modge Podge, gonna glue it on. So one of them is just gonna sit like this somewhere, and one of them is gonna be on an easel. Or you could use it hanging on the wall. So I don't totally know which one yet, but more than likely mine will be the easel. So that is what we're gonna do. And I'm just gonna start with the pink one first, okay? Oh, I know what I forgot. Olivia, can you grab me a pen? I was trying so hard to remember everything, but I forgot a pen to trace. You're gonna need the pen. I mean, you're gonna need a pen. Sorry. You're gonna need 2 pens. My hair is wild as...
Is this good?
I don't even know. Like this? Yes, that's good. Thank you. Okay. Let's do leopard and pink, okay? Now, this is Dollar Tree, Kathy. Dollar Tree. Well, we've got, oh, yeah, my wood palette's from Dollar General. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use the leopard one. We'll just see what it looks like. If we don't like it, we can do something over it. Now, let me say this, that just so you know, okay? I've just noticed this. So this is a wood heart. It's a pretty sturdy wood heart, but this love right here, it's a sticker, okay? It's a sticker. So it peels off, and I just noticed that. I didn't notice that earlier. But I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off just so that it makes this come together that much better. So this peels off. Take a look. First, I'm just gonna lay my heart down, and I'm going to trace it, okay? This is the same process for any time you're doing any kind of Modge Podging. You're gonna trace it. You're gonna flip it upside down and trace it. Now a heart is gonna be the same both sides, but just remember that anytime you're tracing something that you are gonna be Modge Podging paper onto, you need to do it upside down or it will not look correct, okay? So here's my heart. I got to cut it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Modge Podge and I am going to put it on the back side of my heart, okay? Get plenty, okay? Don't get so much that it's just like overtaking it, but get plenty. Let's get plenty on here. Now, I've told you, I don't really love using these at all. I do not. I'm gonna leave the sides pink for now. If I decide that I don't like them that color, but leopard and pink look cute together, then I'll change it. But for now, I'm leaving it. Okay, so after I do all of that, I'm gonna put it on the side that I just took the sticker off. Gotta stick out your tongue because that's when you know. That's when you know you're serious. Ta-da! How easy is that? And look, there you go. So dang easy. But we're gonna sand the edges so that it's just a little more put together. How easy is that though? Thank you, Olivia. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my sanding block and I'm just gonna sand the edges of this, where the paper is, okay? Because it always comes over just a tiny bit. And you can sand off some of the pink if you want to, too. I like the colors together. I think pink and leopard look really cute together. Like for the boutique, like a lot of our Valentine's shirts, like we'll pair leopard with pink, and I think that just looks really cute. We are done with this one. We are done, y'all. How cute. Oh, cute. And then, like I said, I left the sides pink. You just like this, and you are done. How easy is that? And now we still got one more to go though. So this is my first little project. I told you these were gonna be quick and easy. We've got another heart, and for those of you just joining and asking about the hearts, these are from Dollar Tree, okay? Dollar Tree. The glue that I used was just Modge Podge. It dries clear, and it adheres that paper on there, and you can put it on any surface. I've done it on furniture and everything else, okay? So these are from Dollar Tree. You can also get little dollar things of Modge Podge at Dollar Tree. This is a bigger thing that I got at Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear the sticker off the front of this one too. Now that I know they have a sticker, bless you. See what I mean? See how it just tears off? You can't tell that it's a sticker till you're like really messing with it. You would not even have to take this off if you don't want to. You absolutely would not have to take this off, okay? Well, we're gonna leave it like this, totally fine, no big deal. And I'm actually gonna use this one. Now, I may end up embellishing with this a little bit, and I may actually end up adding a bow to this one too. They're very thick, okay? But this is done for now. I might add a little something else, but I don't know yet. So we're gonna go ahead and use this paper because it is just too gorgeous not to use, okay? Too gorgeous not to use. We're gonna do the same exact thing we just did. We're just gonna flip it over and flip this over and trace it. Same thing, exact same thing. Cut it out, Modge Podge it on, and then we will put it onto our whatever thing that's called, palette sign. It's gonna be really cute. And then we're gonna do a bow. I'm gonna do a bow, okay? I did use the sanding block. I used it all along the edges, so the sanding block has been used. And oh, you're talking about this. I'm not worried about this. You will not see this at all. You will not see this. So that's not something I'm worried about. Now, if I was painting it, I would want to be sure that I had it very smooth, but I'm not painting it, so that part does not matter. I'm just putting paper over it, so you will never see that part of it's missing. That's no big deal. So here's my heart. How pretty is that? Yes, you should make this. Ooh, they could be two-sided with different paper. That'd be cute. I'm not gonna do that today, just for time's sake. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and Modge Podge this on. And instead of putting it on the paper, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the actual wood heart this time. Doesn't matter which you do, it works the exact same. You just wanna make sure it's covered thick enough that the paper, you know, adheres to it really, really well. That's the main thing. And this is a good thick paper. This is actually a little thicker than the other. And then you're just going to place it and then rub your hands over it like this. Or you are going to take you know what you could do? You can take a credit card too to make sure there's no you know, bubbles. This is almost done. This is so easy, y'all. I like easy crafts. I really do. I love Jackson Hole tube pad. I've been one time, loved it. Okay, so this is really pretty. And look, like this paper actually doesn't have this color in it, but look how good that it kind of just flows. pretty is that? Yeah, love it. Okay, and I told you I got this for like $2, $3, I'm not sure, from Dollar General, that it has the easel and it has the sawtooth, okay? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hot glue it. So I've got my hot glue gun, I hope it's hot, I think it is. I'm gonna put plenty of glue. I'm gonna need my other glue sticks, which are right here. This is a jumbo one. This glue gun is just from Walmart. It's been a very good one for me. I used to use a cordless one all the time. If y'all been around, y'all remember that, and I loved it. It just started leaking and I never bought another one. I mean, it lasted a good 2 or 3 years before it started leaking. Okay, we're gonna add something to this, I think, but oh, how cute is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got this one. Look, all we did is take a Dollar Tree heart, Modge Podge some paper to the front, hot glue it on here, and you can't tell me this isn't absolutely adorable. And then all we did for the other Dollar Tree heart is just Modge Podge this, and it sits up just like that. So cute, but I do want to say, I've got some ribbon over here with me. And I think I need to add just a little bit of ribbon to one of the hearts, probably this one, okay? This one I think has enough going on because the paper itself is so pretty. So I'm not gonna do anything more to this one. I think it's a really pretty. It's got just enough going on. The edges are pretty. So I'm gonna just leave this like this. And this one's really cute too. You don't have to do anything, okay? Yeah, that can be used year round. There's nothing saying hearts are just for Valentine's Day. So I think this would be really cute though, since it's gonna sit like this, if it had like a bow. So I'm just gonna add something. You don't have to. Do whatever makes you happy, please. But that's what I'm gonna do. I've got all these little remnants, okay? All these fun little remnants. So I think we'll just make a bow with them. I'm kind of rolling with this, flying by the seat of my pants with this bow, because I don't have my typical bow materials. These are bow materials, but I usually just use a little bit of burlap for my base, but we're just gonna roll with it because this will be cute. So I'm just cutting 2 pieces, you know, about the length of the heart, that's all, just to make a little. We're gonna cross them, we're gonna tie them, we're gonna do all that. It's gonna be really cute. This was actually, all these remnants of ribbon was actually a set. Tons of these little black and white remnants from Michael's that I got. I always like to use a real thin ribbon to go across the middle to tie it, so we're gonna use this one. All right, let's get this party started. Okay, so I'm just gonna crisscross them like I would if I was doing any refab bow. It's gonna be a little different, but it'll be cute. So we're just gonna crisscross these. See how they do like that? It's like they don't wanna listen, but it's okay. So just gonna crisscross it like an X. Maybe I don't need to do those at the bottom. Okay, I'll crisscross these like an X, and I'll just keep doing the same process. You don't actually have to use the same ones each time. You can mix them up. So we have done a little crisscross bow, okay? Right here. I'm gonna let Olivia take a picture of this real quick. There we go. Okay, now we're just gonna put this little tiny ribbon across the top just like this, okay? And then we're gonna flip it over just like if we were making one with like the bigger ribbon, that's all. And then we're gonna tie it really tight to make a little bow. If you make the sounds like that, it's even better. What's so fun about this bow is like a little raggedy bow. So I think that is so cute. So you can, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off some of these remnants that are a little longer than I desire, which was just those 2. But how cute. So then I can put this anywhere I want on this, okay? Like it sits like this because it's thick. So we gotta think, where do we wanna see it on the heart? And I think up here in the corner. So what I'm gonna do is right here on this corner, I'm gonna put a dab of hot glue, just a ball of hot glue right there, plenty of it. And then I'm just gonna lay my bow right here. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that should be plenty. And then we've got it. But here are my 2 hearts, and I'm just jabbing, so I'm gonna quit before I start getting mean comments. But I made this. This is so cute. And this is the easiest project. So dang easy, okay? And then we have this. I think the bow added a lot to it. But if you don't want a bow, don't get a bow, okay? Just that easy as that. So, ta-da! We are done. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm just excited to be back crafting. It's been a long time and I'm just happy to be back. So if I'm extra annoying today, I apologize, but I'm just happy. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be feeling better. I'm happy for all the things. So, and I'm really excited about my Dollar Tree haul. So go back and watch. Whoa, this just fell. You can tighten it up though. See how it's got this at the bottom? You can tighten it if you want it to sit up a little bit more. You can just cut some of that twine and tighten it up. So these are what we did today. Be sure to share with your friends and just thank y'all for being here. Thank you for being here on 2 of my lives in one day. That never happens, but it was really fun. And I hope you'll have a really great night, and hopefully I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Bye guys.